A smooth white cap can appear above a thunderstorm tower in just minutes, and it is a sign the storm is growing hard and fast. This cloud is called Pileus, from the Latin word for cap, and it is not a separate storm cloud by itself. It is an accessory cloud, meaning it depends on the larger cumulus or cumulonimbus cloud pushing up underneath it. Picture a strong updraft inside a growing storm. Warm, humid air rises quickly from near the ground, feeding the cloud tower and forcing the air above it to move upward as well. If that air above the storm is in a stable, moist layer, it resists being lifted and spreads out into a smoother sheet. As the layer is pushed higher, the air pressure around it drops. The air expands, cools without needing to lose heat to its surroundings, and may reach saturation. That process is called adiabatic cooling. Once the moist layer cools to its dew point, tiny droplets can form almost at once. The result is a pale, smooth, cap-like cloud sitting on top of the lumpy storm tower below. The contrast is often striking because the thunderstorm beneath looks turbulent, while the Pileus cap looks neat and even. The cap is usually short-lived. If the updraft keeps accelerating, the parent cloud may punch through the layer and absorb the cap. If the updraft weakens, the lift fades and the cap evaporates. That is why Pileus clouds can appear and disappear while you are still reaching for your camera. Moisture is the key to whether you see anything at all. A strong updraft can still lift dry air above a storm, but without enough humidity, no visible cap forms. When the layer is moist enough, relative humidity can briefly reach saturation or even supersaturation, and droplets appear rapidly. Higher in the troposphere, where temperatures are colder, the cap can also contain ice crystals or supercooled water. That can give some Pileus clouds bright edges, a soft sheen, or a delicate smooth look. To forecasters, Pileus is a visual clue rather than a direct warning. It tells us a storm tower is developing quickly, with a vigorous updraft underneath. It does not guarantee hail, damaging wind or lightning at your location, but it does mean the atmosphere is active and changing fast. If you see a Pileus cap above a darkening storm, especially on a humid afternoon, treat it as a prompt to pay attention. Check the Bureau of Meteorology radar, forecasts and warnings, and keep a safe plan ready. In time, a growing cumulonimbus may spread into an anvil near the top of the troposphere. By then, the neat Pileus cap has usually vanished, leaving behind a taller, more mature storm.